How to cancel order Temu 2025. In this video, we're going to be discussing about Temu and how you're going to be canceling your order in the easiest way. Now, if you don't have Temu, do go ahead and get it for free by signing up through the link in the description below. Now, once you've signed up and you've placed an order and you've come across an issue where you don't want that order anymore and you want to cancel it. So in that case, what you're going to be doing is over here in the top right, you're going to see your account. Now, from your account, you're going to come over to your orders. And once you come over to your orders over here, there are four sections. All right. There's processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Now, if your order is in processing, you can easily go ahead and cancel it by simply, it will show your order over here. You're going to go over to your order and it's going to give you a very big banner saying cancel order. So just go ahead and cancel it from there. Now, in the case that it has moved over to shipped, then that is the place where you cannot cancel it. So do make sure to cancel it in like 3 to 4 days of ordering. And 3 to 4 days is also a pretty huge maximum that I'm giving you. So simply cancel it from this section. And that is basically how you're going to be canceling any order on Temu in the easiest way. Now, again, if you want to use Temu for yourself right away, do make sure to check the link down in the description below, and that is pretty much all there is from my side. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.